Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could get 3 months of Discord Nitro for completely free through Nvidia GeForce. Now that is correct, completely free. All you have to do is install Nvidia GeForce and you could claim a free 3 months of Discord Nitro. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So as you can see, this was posted today, July 28th, 2026, and this promotion will last until August 24th, 2026. So nearly a month this promotion will be out, and you could get a free 3 months of Discord Nitro. As you can see, it says here. So now if we go down here, just a few things I want to mention. It says who is eligible. Users who have had an active Nitro subscription or Nitro trial in the last 12 months are not eligible to redeem this Nitro promotion. So basically, if you had a Nitro subscription recently, you probably will not be able to actually claim it. Although if you have any issues, please comment below at the end of this video. It also says down here that you could also redeem this by September 24th. So if you do claim it on August 24th, you do have a month to actually redeem it in Discord. So if you wanted to wait for whatever reason, you could always claim it later on. So that's always good to know. And also says here, after the 3-month trial period, your Nitro subscription will convert into a monthly reoccurring subscription. So I will show you at the end of the video how to cancel it to make sure that you will not be charged again. All right, so the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to nvidia.com/en-us/software/nvidia-app. Now, I will have this linked in the description below, so you don't have to type that all in, and you could simply just go to the link in the description, and it'll bring you to the main Nvidia app website. And once you're here, there will be a download now button, and you're just going to click that. You don't have to do anything on the website here, you just have to click download now. And once you do that, then you will download the exe file for the app. Now, once you have the app installed, it'll look something like this once you actually open it and it all works. Now, if you don't know what this is, basically, you could install your game drivers here. So Nvidia has drivers that they release basically mainly for newer games, but usually you will download these whenever new ones come out. And this is basically just for gamers. Most of you probably already have Nvidia on your computer, especially if you already have an Nvidia graphics card, which most people with a gaming PC do. But if you don't have one, you could still get this Nitro for completely free. You just have to install this app. So some of you will probably already have this app installed on your computer, but if you don't, you'll just install it through the website here. Now, once you're on the app, it'll look something like this, and all you're going to do first is you're going to go click log in the top right. So we're going to click on login, and it'll bring you to a sign-in screen here, where you could simply just sign in with your Google account. Now, once you're logged in, as you can see, I am logged in now. All you're going to do is go to the redeem section on the left side of the app. And once you go here, you'll actually see right here the Nitro offer, and it says redeem until August 25th, 2026, or in other words, until the 24th. You have the entirety of the 24th to redeem it. So if you click on view details here, we can see 3 months of Discord Nitro, unlock a world of premium perks with Discord Nitro, get HD streaming, custom emojis anywhere, larger file uploads, server boosts, and more. New subscribers only, terms apply, and they also have a link here for more instructions. But all you're going to do is you're going to click redeem. And once you click redeem, it'll bring you to this site here, and it says here, finish setting up your Nvidia profile. So it says here, your Nvidia account allows you to manage preferences, subscriptions, etc., etc. Usually we don't need all these things on, but you could simply just submit if you'd like to skip this. But simply, I'm just going to leave on these bottom technical ones, and I'm going to submit that. And once you do that, it will bring you to the redemption portal where you can redeem your reward. It says after claiming your reward code, copy and paste the redemption link in your browser to activate the trial on Discord. So all we're going to do is click on redeem, and as you can see, we have a redemption key. So we have this redemption key link. We are going to copy this link, and we are going to simply just paste it in a new tab. Now, once you go to this link, it'll bring up the screen here. It says you got 3 months of Discord Nitro, and it says Discord perks are all yours. And all you're gonna do is click next. And once you do that, all you'll have to do is add a payment method. So you do need a payment method to actually redeem it. Typically, you'll need a credit card to do this, but I heard that prepaid cards may work, I'm not sure. But either way, you have to add a payment method to actually claim it. Now, I can't claim it on this account because I've already had Nitro recently on it. But all you're going to do basically is go through with adding the payment method. You'll sign up for the 3 months of Discord Nitro, and you'll get a free 3 months. Now, I'm going to show you how to cancel the subscription once you actually start it. So if you started the subscription on your account, all you're going to do is go to the settings in the bottom left here. you're going to go down to Nitro. I got to turn on streamer mode, or turn off streamer mode. But if you go to subscriptions here, you can see I don't have any active subscriptions right now, but it'll show your subscription here, and there will be a cancel option. Now, since it is a free 3 months of Nitro, it will not end that 3 months if you click cancel early. It'll just simply stop any more payments once those 3 months of free Nitro is over. So you'll have to go to the subscriptions tab in the settings, and there'll be a cancel option for your Discord Nitro. Anyways though, if you'd like to use my key, you can use that because I'm not going to need it. I already have Discord Nitro, but if you want to try and use my key and be the first one to use it, you can just use that. But either way though, this is how you get the free Discord Nitro for your Discord account for 3 months through Nvidia GeForce. Now guys, if you made it to the end of this video, we are currently 30 subscribers away from 4,000, which means we are going to be giving away another 3 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners. So if you want to win another month of Discord Nitro for free, simply join my Discord server, it is linked in the description below, and go to the giveaways channel. It will be hosted there very, very soon. As well as if you have any questions about this video, if there's having any issues claiming the Nitro, or if you have any other support issues, please join my Discord server and ask as well as I have many tutorials on my channel. Anyways though, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next Discord video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.